Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, Strengthen English. In this session, we are going to learn present continuous and present simple, the second part. Education means inspiring someone's mind, not just filling their head. Students, do you speak English? Education is our passport to the future, but tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So therefore, students, let us learn English. To learn English, Strengthen English will help you. So therefore, learn English and earn knowledge, because English is for life. It is merely our sincere efforts to create a virtual platform for effective learning among the students across the globe to acquire adequate knowledge in the English language, since the proficiency in English is a must in all walks of students' life. Therefore, we have begun this channel, Strengthen English, to equip the students with adequate English knowledge. So therefore, my dear students, you can like this channel, comment whatever you would like to comment. Secondly, you can subscribe to this channel and then you can forward to your friends. Dear students, in this session, today we are going to learn present continuous and present simple, the second part. We use continuous forms for actions and happenings that have started but not finished. They are eating, it is raining, etc. Some verbs, for example, know and like, are not normally used in this way. We don't say, I am knowing or they are liking. We say, I know, they like. The following verbs are not normally used in the present continuous. Like, love, hate, want, need, prefer, know, realize, suppose, mean, understand, believe, remember, belong, fit, contain, consist, seem. So these following verbs are not normally used in the present continuous. For example, I am hungry, I want something to eat. Do you understand what I mean? And doesn't seem very happy at the moment. Students, another verb, very important verb, think. The verb think is interpreted in different ways. For example, when think means believe or have an opinion, we do not use the continuous. For example, I think Mary is Canadian, but I am not sure. What do you think about my plan? Which means, what is your opinion? When think means consider, the continuous is possible. I am thinking about what happened. I often think about it. Nikki is thinking of giving up her job, which means she is considering it. Students, here we have he is shellfish and he is being shellfish. What does it mean? He is being, which means he is behaving, he is acting. Compare, I can't understand why he is being so selfish. He isn't usually like that. Being selfish means behaving selfishly at the moment. He never thinks about other people. He is very selfish. Not he is being, which means he is selfish generally, not only at the moment. We use am, is, are, being to say how somebody is behaving. It is not usually possible in other sentences. It's hot today. Sarah is very tired. Dear students, these are the sense-based verbs, the verbs which express senses. For example, see, hear, smell, taste. We normally use the present simple with these verbs. Do you see that man over there? This room smells. Let's open a window. We often use can plus see, can plus hear, can plus smell, can plus taste. I can hear a strange noise. Can you hear it? Students, other two verbs, look and feel. You can use the present simple or continuous to say how somebody looks or feels now. You look well today, or you're looking well today. How do you feel now? Or how are you feeling now? But I usually feel tired in the morning. Dear students, we have spent time in learning the session. Now it's time for exercise. Are you ready? Here we have exercises 4.1. Are the underlined verbs right or wrong? Correct them where necessary. First one, Nikki is thinking of giving up her job. If the sentence is correct, then you can write OK. If it is not correct, find out what is the mistake and then you write it correctly. Second, we have 4.2. Use the words in brackets to make sentences. You should also study Unit 3 before you do this exercise. It's a kind of a jumbled words. You not seem very happy today. So you need to make a meaningful sentence. So therefore, you need to maintain or you need to keep the proper sentence structure. You don't seem very happy today. Students, now you can complete the rest of the questions. Students, here we have come, that is 4.3. Put the verb into the correct form, present continuous or present simple. Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? So here we need to put the verb into the correct form. It can be present continuous or present simple. Next we have 4.4. Complete the sentences using the most suitable form of be. Sometimes you must use the simple present tense, that is am, is, are, and sometimes the continuous is more suitable. For example, I can't understand why he is being so selfish. He isn't usually like that. The rest you can complete, students. 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, It's time to check your answers. I hope you all have written well. Students, now we can proceed. Students, thank you for watching this lesson. Kindly forward this lesson to the students, those who are in need. At the same time, you can put forth your comments. If you like this video, you can press that icon, and then you can subscribe to this channel, and then you can tell your friends, teachers, students, those who are in need of learning. You can always make use of this video for better learning. Thank you, students. God bless everyone.